Students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share, and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now, you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. So, here is your answer. In this channel, you will get daily one video related to different topic or subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics, and science, which will help you to understand and clear your concepts. Today, we will see a video related to science subject. In that, today's topic is NCERT Solution for Class 8 Science, Chapter 8 Pollution of Air and Water. Before starting with the exercise of textbook, let's revise what we have studied in the chapter. Air pollution is the contamination of air by impurities which may have harmful effect on living organisms and non-living components. Pollutants are the substances which contaminate air and water. Carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide, methane, and sulfur dioxide are the major pollutants of air. Increasing levels of greenhouse gases like CO2 are leading to global warming. Water pollution is the contamination of water by substances harmful to life. Sewage, agricultural chemicals, and industrial waste are some of the major contaminants of water. Water which is purified and fit for drinking is known as potable water. Water is a precious natural resource. We must learn to conserve it. Now let's see the exercise of the textbook. In that first question is, what are the different ways in which water gets contaminated? Water gets contaminated in the following ways. Many industries discharge harmful chemicals into river and streams. Chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and weedicides used in agriculture dissolved in water are washed away into water bodies from the fields. Throwing of untreated sewage directly into river. Many industries release hot water into rivers. So these are the ways water get contaminated. Next question, at an individual level, how can you help to reduce pollution? Use CNG and unleaded petrol instead of ordinary petrol and diesel. Use chemical transport as far as possible. Generate awareness about air pollution among the members of our families and friends. We can plant trees and nurture them once already present in the neighborhood. So these are the way to reduce the air pollution. Now next is clear, transparent water is always fit for drinking. Comment. No. Water which looks clean may still have disease carrying microorganisms and dissolved impurities. Hence, it is not always fit for drinking. So, it is essential to purify water before drinking. Say, for example, by boiling process. Next, you are the member of the municipal body of your town. Make a list of measures that will help your town to ensure the supply of clean water to all its residents. So, these are the following some of the measures to ensure the supply of clear water to all its residents. Make the supply system leak proof, as a lot of drinking water has been wasted to the leakage. Proper cleaning of water tank from time to time. Chlorine tablets should be made available. The water supply pipes should not come in contact with the sewage pipes. Next, explain the difference between pure air and polluted air. Air is a mixture of gases. Pure air contains about 78% by volume nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and a small but definite amount of carbon dioxide, argon, methane, neon, water vapor, etc. When the air is contaminated by unwanted substances which have a harmful effect on both the living and non-living components, it is called polluted air. Next, explain circumstances leading to acid air. How does acid air affect us? Pollutant like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide react with the water vapor present in the atmosphere to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. This comes down with the rain, making the rain acid. This is called acid rain. Acid rain affects us in many ways. For example, it removes basic nutrients such as calcium from the soil. It increases corrosion of metals. It damages buildings and sculptured materials. The low pH of acid rainwater changes the rate of metabolism of some organisms. Acid rain causes damage to freshwater life. For example, decrease in fish pollution of lake. Acid meats cause direct damage to leaves of plants. Next, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? That is nitrogen. Describe the greenhouse effect in your own words. In a greenhouse, in a nursery or elsewhere, sun's heat from the sun is allowed to get in but is not allowed to get out. The trapped heat warms this greenhouse. The trapping of the radiation by the Earth's atmosphere performs a similar function. The trapped radiations further warm the Earth. This effect of atmosphere is called greenhouse effect. Without this process, life would not have been possible on Earth because of the low temperatures. CO2 is one of the gases responsible for this effect. Other gases like methane, nitrogen oxide, water vapor also contribute to this effect. They are also called greenhouse gases. Next question, prepare a brief speech on global warming. You have to deliver the speech in your class. So, about the global warming, the undue rise in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere due to excessive greenhouse effect produced by increasing amount of carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere is called global warming. It has become a major concern for all the countries because a slight increase in atmospheric temperature can cause serious consequence to all living beings. Many countries have reached an agreement to reduce the emissions of greenhouse gases so as to reduce global warming. The Kyoto Protocol is such an agreement. An important step to reduce the effects of global warming is to minimize the burning of fossil fuels because it emits greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbons. Stress should be laid on the use of alternative sources of energy like solar and wind energy. Next, describe the threat to the beauty of the Taj Mahal. There is a spelling error in the Taj, that is Taj Mahal. Over the past 2 decades, India's most famous tourist attraction, Taj Mahal, located at Agra, has become a matter of great concern. Experts have warned that air pollution is discoloring its white marble. So it is not only living organisms that affects by polluted air but also the non-living things like buildings, monuments and statues which are going to be affected. The industries located in and around Agra like rubber processing, automobile chemicals and especially the Mathura oil refinery have been responsible for producing pollutant like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. These gases react with the water vapor present in the atmosphere to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. This comes down with the rain, making the rain acid. This is called acid rain. Acid rain has resulted in corrosion of marbles of the monuments. The phenomena is also called marble cancer. Suspended particulate matter, such as the soot particle emitted by the Mathura oil refinery, has contributed to the yellowing of the marble. The Supreme Court has taken several steps to save the Taj Mahal. It has issued orders for the industries to either switch to cleaner fuels like CNG and LPG or to move to faraway places. Moreover, the automobiles should switch over to unleaded petrol in the Taj Mahal zone. Next, why does the increased level of nutrients in the water affects the survival of aquatic animals? Organisms. Chemicals used as fertilizers in agriculture dissolved in water and are washed away into water bodies from the field. The excessive quantities of chemicals like nitrates and phosphate which are present in the fertilizers act as a nutrients for algae to flourish. Once these algae die, they serve as a food for decomposers like bacteria. They use up a lot of oxygen. This results in decrease in the oxygen level, which is harmful for the survival of other organisms. So this was the solution for NCERT textbook of Standard 8 Science, Chapter 18. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, questions or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also follow us on Facebook page, Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.